The publisher Springer started their republication in 2006. 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 The publisher Springer started their republication in 2006.